It's incoming, 80 centimetres axial tilt, boof, go to the ballpark, absurdity, don't come back. This is for the AGU. Science and space travel legends apparently, I think not. Okay, we had to put Geezer on hold. We class this as an emergency because it's hitting people's news feeds. So we thought we'd have a closer look. What are we being told? We're being told that the planet has tilted that way by 80 centimetres because of the amount of water that was pumped out of the planet between 1993 and 2010. So one would think we've got some more tilt coming, a bit like inflation, you know how it catches up? Yeah, that kind of thing. Fresh water pumped, displaced over 17 years between 1993 and 2010, and we have nearly fallen off. Or have we? We had a closer look. Because we have to question these things now, because otherwise they'll end up coming up man-made climate change. Something's going to happen, you watch. Real quick now, this is supposed to be Geezer Day. The radius of the planet, 6,370. The diameter from there to there, 12,740. A bit more, but we like to round things down, keep it nice and tidy. 1,220 from centre to the outer core, 2,250 from the outer core to the lower mantle. The mantle is 2,800 kilometres wide, thick, boom, right? And we've given the crust 100. While we're here, I often go on about the transition zone, where the olivine and the ringwoodite, the two minerals, break down into water. That's where I personally think the water came from. So at 410 k's from the surface, 410 k's down, we get to the blue, a transition zone. It runs for 250 kilometers deep, right? And stops at 660 kilometers deep, where the lower mantle. So we've got upper mantle, transition zone, it's 250 k's wide, and then the lower mantle, and then she goes down to the outer core, okay? The deepest ocean is 11 k's, so Mariana Trench, that kind of thing, deep, deep. You don't need to go more than 4,000. Let's not go there. And then we have got the crust. We say 100 kilometers, but in built-up areas, mountain ranges, where there's a lot of dirt, a lot of ground, they reckon about 60 kilometers average, all right? On the ocean, as thin as 5 kilometers, which is why there's a lot of eruptions, all right, down there. So, I think we can move on to the next classroom now. Yeah, so we've got that, we've got your measurements, try and retain some information for a change class. All right, I'll be back in a minute with the other classroom.